Hi guys, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I have my daughter Kalila here. And today I'm just going to be filming a little bit of what I'm going to be doing today. I woke up this morning and I made some breakfast for Kalila and myself. She just got done eating some eggs with beans, and I also ate some egg whites as well, and beans also. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and let her play a little bit. Looks like she's finished up with eating, and I'm just gonna let her play here in the living room while I begin to clean up the kitchen. Every morning I actually do make my boyfriend Wax breakfast. So I'll make him breakfast for him to take to work, and then I'll also pack him lunch and stuff like that. So this morning, let me go ahead and set up the camera because I think she wants to get out. So in the morning, I usually make a mess in the kitchen, and I don't clean it right away because she's usually ready for a nap by the time that would clean up the mess. So I usually just leave the mess and then let her sleep for about 2 hours. And I'll usually take some time to myself. In the morning, I'll take some time to myself for about 2 hours and, do whatever I want to do, whether it's lay down, whatever. But I did go ahead and wake her up a little bit early today because I want to film me. I'm going to go ahead and clean out my fridge today. And I'm also going to be making jalapeno poppers later. So bacon wrapped jalapenos with cream cheese in the middle, inside of them. And I'm going to show you guys how to make that. For now, I'm going to just go ahead and clean the kitchen. And like I said, let her play. And then I'm going to start cleaning out the fridge. I do want to begin doing little tasks like cleaning up the fridge, cleaning up the pantry, reorganizing the Tupperware. Those are all things that obviously need to be done, and I just don't have the time to do them. So right now I have on a shirt that I don't care about, and I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the bleach and just clean everything out. So yeah, I hope that you guys are having a positive, blessed day. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So every day, Kalila always comes over here to play and does whatever she wants. And Mazi always gets mad at her and regulates on her. You could hear him barking. And then he freaking blocks her. Like he'll block her way so she doesn't look. Look at him. He does not care. Update. So I'm almost done with washing the dishes. I still got a few here. Once I finish up with washing the dishes, I gotta clean out the fridge, and there's probably gonna be way more dishes in there that need to be washed. Obviously because of leftovers and stuff. So I'm gonna clean all that out in just a few. But we got Kalila Say hi, Mamacita. She's just rolling around through here. She just took off her sock. It's right there. Mozzie was being a regulator. As you guys can see, I had to tell him to go lay down because he wasn't allowing her to do absolutely anything. So yeah, that's where we're at, guys. Next shot will probably be me cleaning the fridge. Actually, went ahead and gonna move forward with cleaning my fridge. It's really messy right now. I kind of took out the containers that had the food already and have them soaking in the sink right now so I can wash those. But I'm gonna go ahead and start working on just taking everything out of the closet, the fridge, and start organizing. So you guys can literally see me organizing everything here. I'm gonna take out everything row by row and just organize it. It's so dirty. Okay, guys, I obviously went ahead and cleaned everything out. So I have stuff everywhere. I have stuff here. I have stuff over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything back in, and you guys can go ahead and see how I arrange everything. So. What else can we put on the top shelf? Our bacon. That goes in here. Our cheeses go in here. Our lunch meat go in here. I'm not going to do it like a specific order by shelf or anything. I'm just going to start putting stuff in, as well as butter. Okay. And then like these things. There. And we want that anywhere. This go there. Creamer. Our condiments on the door as well. Go. It's trash. There's some beans. Right here. Just body armor. There. Got more cheese. To the drawer. And then we got some Calalis food. Put that right there. Let's see what else do we have. Some more bacon. I'm actually going to use this later for the jalapeno poppers that I'm making. I don't have to make that anymore. Some juice. Okay. What else? Salsa. There. Some blueberries. Okay. So this is the way that it's looking. Got a few things here. So I have some produce here, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting this in as well. Mango. Nectarine. So because it's clean, I always like to put my vegetables just in there without the bag. Alright, you guys, I'm all finished up now. I went ahead and put everything back in the fridge. I also went ahead and filled up the fridge with some water and soda. So let's go ahead and show you what it's looking like. Ta-da! So here's the final result. I went ahead and put everything back in. Everything's nice and clean. Filled it up with water. And put all of our condiments back in. Our fridge is now looking a little empty, so every time I every time I grocery shop, I always want to make sure to clean out the fridge. I don't like to put obviously new food inside the clean fridge. So this is the final result. Looks a lot better from when we started, that's for sure. But I hope that you guys enjoyed me, cleaning and picking up everything today. I did mention I was going to go ahead and make some jalapeno poppers later on in this vlog, but I probably won't because I'll make that a separate video. So I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.